Hi everyone, in this video we will be solving challenge for day 10. Category of this challenge is phishing. Name of the challenge is he had a brain full of macros and had shells in his soul. Um, so you can read the story. Basically we will be creating a malicious word file. Upon opening that word file, we will be getting a remote code execution on the system which will give us a reverse shell in the Metasploit. I have created a blog specifically for this topic in November on November 30, 2022. You can go through this blog as well. I have explained this in more detail than this. Here we'll be using a Metasploit, or we'll be using payload which is already built in into Metasploit for this. Uh, Here I have explained how to do this manually. Um, like you can run any command but you like. So first thing is you need to start this machine. I have already done that and I got this IP address of the target. Then next part is you um, need to create a malicious word file. So you need to copy and run this command one by one. I have already started Metasploit using msf console command. So next is this. We are setting the payload to a regular Windows Metapeta reverse shell. Then is we need to use this module which will create a malicious Word document. And lhost will be our IP address of the VM which we started. This IP. L port you can choose anything, but it is better if you use ports like 53 or 443 because that makes the traffic a bit less suspicious. Then you can see all the configuration which you made, or you can use info command as well. So we have set the lhost and lport. Payload type is payload type we set previously, that you can see using show advanced options command. Advanced, yes. So payload type is this, you can see. Okay, then click on exploit or run. So exploit or run, you can use any of the command. So our malicious Word document is created at this location. You can go there and see a file is created, and if we run file command on this, you can see this is a Microsoft Word 2007 plus Word document. Okay, so we have created a malicious document. Now you can actually open this document and see what exactly it is going on, what exactly is going on um, in this Word file. So for example, if I show you, I have to transfer it to my system. And you need to disable antivirus because this is a malicious file. So this is the file. Let me open it. So you will see a security warning in the top. Macros have been disabled. So you need to click on enable content, and for checking the macro you click on view, then on the macros on the right side you click on view macros, and you can see a macro with the name auto open. You can edit this, and these are the contents of the code which is running in the background when you open the Word file. um, so yeah, you can go through it if you want to, line by line, function by function. Or you can also run, which they have shown, exif tool on this file, which will tell you the metadata, and you can see there is something malicious absolutely included in the metadata of the file. So something is there in the description part of the metadata. You will not see in the legitimate, you will not see this data in a legitimate file. So you can like try to detect a malicious file using multiple things. Okay, now for uh, like getting the reverse shell, we need to start listening. So for listening, we use multi-handler in Metasploit. So you need to again open Metasploit. I encourage you to watch the video in increased speed 1.5x. You will save time. set payload, sorry, set payload to this, L host is our IP address, which is this, or you can specify interface name as well. Metasploit will automatically fetch the IP for the interface. L port 443. You can check your settings, and we just need to run the listener. So this is the IP address of the VM which we started, and for now we what we are doing is we are just sending this file to a legitimate user as an email. So for sending this email, we have been provided with this email application, and that is running in at this location on this IP, and credentials are this: copy and paste, sign in, new, we are sending this to Mata. And check one more thing, we are using a typo squatting domain. So this domain looks similar to a legitimate domain to which we are sending the email. So we are trying to target users of this organization, that is SOC-mas.thm, and Marta is one of the user of the organization. But we are sending the email using a domain which we control, and this domain resonates or similar to the legitimate domain, so that the legitimate user of the organization SOC-mas uh, get confused or do not take care of this sender's email when they receive this email. So copy this email, marta at the rate SOC-mas thm. You can you can be creative here. For example, I'm mentioning you have won the lottery. Please subscribe and like. You can also change the name of the document, like they have suggested. Attach files. File is where was the file? MSF local root dot MSF4 local, and this is the file, and you can rename it. I am not having option here, but you can rename it if you want to. Send. Now you will just wait for the user to click on the file and open the file. If the user opens the file, we will be getting the reversal here. About 2 minutes. So what they have done is, I mean the creator of the challenge, they have created some automation script which automatically clicks on the file, reads the email and clicks on the file, and it is running um, after every 2 minutes. Date. So what I have just done is I um, just for tracking the time, I have just started the date command, which is running after 1 second of interval. So you can see here every second it is running. Sixteen. I am not sure what is happening, but I maybe we need to use this particular port because that is the only change which I made. Otherwise everything is same. So I will wait till 18, then we will do this again if I don't get a reverse shell. And I think we need to create it again. So let me rename it for our simplicity. This is for port number 443, which is not working. So it is possible like port number 443 is filtered. So that might be a reason. So let me regenerate this file and let me change the port number to 888 and run this in background. So -j is for job. So what I just did is I started the listener as a in background as a job. So that is what I did. And everything else is fine. IP address and port, we have just changed port number. Now I need to recreate the document. Use exploit this options set L host. So this is the issue. I have forgotten to change the L host. Set L port 888. Set file name invoice dot docm. Options yeah, looks good. Let's regenerate the file. Invoice.docm has created. Again, we need to send the email to Martha. Subject: you have won the lottery. Please subscribe and like. Attachment, invoice, send. Let's wait again for 2 minutes. Okay, I understood what I did. We need to specify this IP address in the lhost because this is the IP address which will be incorporated in the malicious document, and I don't know what is going in my mind. Delete these two files, rerun. Resend the email to Mata. Open the file to see gifts. Again 2 minutes, and this time we got the reversion. Sessions session 1 sessions 1 sysinfo. Okay, that's pretty much it. I know I took a long time because of my stupidness, um, but I hope you guys learned something new, and you can go through this blog which I created earlier. I have explained this in more detail. Yes, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.